Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Jenna Tungo, and today guys I'm going to show you this easy slick down that I did on my natural hair. I'm going to show you how I prep my hair for the extension. So the braid extension that I'm going to use is by Hair Kenya, and it is in color number 1. Okay, so I bought 2 packets, but for my extension I'll be using 1.5 packet of this braid extension. So I'm going to comb it like so that I can take care of all the flyaways. And after that guys, I will take my scrunchie and tie my, or rather wrap my hair like so, just to ensure that it is nice and secured. And then I went ahead and just did some basic jumbo braids. Okay, and guys, as you watch this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel for this and many more hair tutorial. So consider subscribing and I will truly appreciate. So I'm going to braid my extension, okay, all the way to the very end. And then once I'm done guys, I'll just dip the end of these braids, these jumbo braids, in hot water. You'll see me doing that. So I'm just continue braiding, and after I'm done, this is how the braids are looking like. And I left one piece unbraided because we'll be using that. Okay, so you'll see how we're going to use that in the end of this video. So here I am guys, just dipping these braids in hot water, and I'm going to leave it there for about a minute. And I added in conditioner just to smoothen my braid extension and just to let it look neat and all that. So guys, after that I'll just dry my braids extension, as you can see in the video. And then this is 2 days later. But if you're in a hurry, you can just leave your braid extension to dry overnight. But I left mine for 2 days guys. Okay, I'm going for a side part, so I'll just take my rattle comb and part my hair exactly as you can see in the video guys. And then after that I'll go in with my gel, and for this look I'll be using 2 gels, that is the HAIRSTYLE gel and the wax gel, or rather the molding gel wax. Okay, so I've applied my wax gel onto my line, and I'll go in with my rattle comb just to clean up my line and to make sure it is nice and clean and all that. Okay, so here I am just cleaning up my line, and then after that guys, I'll start applying my HAIRSTYLE gel. Okay, so the reason why I love using my gel wax onto my hair is because I normally don't stretch out my hair. I don't apply heat on my hair, so my hair tend to be very stubborn when it comes to gels. So that's why I normally use 2 gels, that is the HAIRSTYLE and together with my wax gel, because again the wax gel has thick consistency, so it really helps in laying my hair into place. So yeah. Okay, so here I am just taking my comb and just to comb the gel through, making sure it is sprayed onto my hair. And I'll go in again with my HAIRSTYLE gel, applying it on my hair. I take my comb in just to comb the gel through, and making sure I'm also using my fingers to just making sure that my gel blends well with my natural hair, because like I said earlier guys, I didn't straighten my hair and I don't like using heat on my hair. So that is why you'll see me using a bit of a gel there, because I want because my hair is short and I want it to be like laid and all that. So here I am just using my bristle brush just to smoothen my hair and to make it look neat and all that guys. So I'm going to be doing the same thing, applying my gel, going in with my bristle brush and just to smoothen my hair into place. Okay guys, so because my hair is short and I just want to have a very strong base of my ponytail, so I'll be using this MARLEY braid extension just to braid where I want my ponytail to be. So this is a very good technique, especially if you have way shorter hair than mine. Okay, because you don't want to be walking around and then your extension falls from nowhere. So if you have short hair, consider doing this technique. Just you can use braiding hair or this MARLEY hair that I'm using, And like you have seen, guys, I'm not braiding it all the way to the very end, okay? Just some at least some 6 to 7 steps, then I'll just leave it at that, okay? So I'll go in again with my more Eco Styler gel, applying it on my hair. As you can see, my hair is very stubborn. Like, I don't know which gel to use just to get my hair like to slick down completely, okay? So guys, after that, I'll just take my scrunchie and hold my small ponytail into place, okay, exactly as you can see in the video. And then after that, guys, I'll just take this extension and just wrap it around my bun, just like you can see me doing. And then I'll go in again with my my scrunchie to just making sure that it is nice and secured. I'm going to hold it like so, and this will give me a very strong base for my extension, and my ponytail is not going to go nowhere, okay? So guys, after that, I'll go in again and just smoothen my hair, making sure it is nice and laid. And I'm using my bristle brush to, you know, smoothen my hair. As you can see, this brush is just doing what it's supposed to do. And just to remind you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you like it. So guys, after I am done, I will just lay my edges. And at this point, really, I was really trying so hard to make sure that my edges are like nice, and the struggle is real, guys. So I'm really making sure, I'm really struggling to do these edges, like you can just literally see. But anyway, we move on regardless, okay? And I think the reason why I'm struggling is because I'm not used to doing my edges with my comb. But I've seen this technique before, other people have been using it, and I was like, okay, let me just give it a try. But anyway, we move on, okay? So guys, after that, I'll just take my bristle brush just to smoothen my hair. And guys, my hair is very, very stubborn. Like, I don't know, it takes a lot for it to just lay down. And I was so mad at this point because, as you can see, it is not like a completely laid down. I was seeing some flyaways here and there, but anyway, so here I am just tying my using my scarf just to wrap my hair and to let it dry. And I will get back to you in a few, okay? I know I've said this like a million times, guys, but if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you have watched this video till here, please consider subscribing, okay? And I will truly appreciate. So guys, this is about an hour, and this is how my braid extension is looking like, okay? And I'm just here removing my scarf and just to see what's happening. Okay, my hair is looking good, but it was not like a completely dry, okay? But anyway, so here I am attaching my extension onto my bun, and you want to do that upside down so that when you be flipping your hair, it will cover your bun, okay? So guys, I'll just take this straight hair that we didn't curl, and then I'm going to wrap it onto my ponytail, exactly as you can see in the video, guys. So I'm just going round, making sure it is nice and, you know, secured. And then I'll go ahead and take my bobby pins just to make sure that my extension is nice and secured and it's not moving nowhere, okay? So you want to use your bobby pins to secure your bun, or rather your ponytail. And I don't know, for some reason this line here doesn't look straight, but guys, there's no way I'm going back to redo it because I'm going to mess everything up. So guys, this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. So bye for now and take care.